to see a bit better weather arrive.
Yeah, absolutely. So good Tuesday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. I want to just first let everyone know we're doing our first Coffee with Craig live show on June 16th at the InterContinental Hotel, starting 8:30. So it's 8:30 in the morning to 10, and 8:30 we do the kickoff with 5-star breakfast and networking. 9 o'clock, speed introductions. 9:15, we're going to cover a few topics, me and Winston, and then with the crowd. I think we talked about it yesterday. Yeah, some investment and some logistics,
retail. There's lots of interesting topics we'll be going through, but we'll finalise the program in the following days.
Bit of office, and then final networking and some finalizing breakfast, and then we're rolling. It's 99 euros. Just drop me a quick email if you'd like to get some more information on that and a ticket. Seats are limited, so we're going to roll with that, and let's come back in 20 seconds with the news. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the brave new world of Europa Properties Last Mile digital and interactive magazine. It's the only one of its kind to cover the Central and Eastern European region with 100% dedication and focus on industrial property and logistics. Don't miss our June edition. So, welcome back, and Winston, how are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you.
You ready with some exciting, I see a lot of text there, ready for some exciting
we've got
news?
some big news coming out of the region today, and there's been a landmark transaction announced in Serbia where GTC has sold its office portfolio to the Hungarian Indotek Group.
Okay.
Yeah, this is a proposed acquisition price is almost 270 million euros. So it apparently exceeds the book value of GTC's Serbia portfolio as of the 31st December 2020. And the agreement will cover 11 buildings within 5 business parks with a total area a total GLA of 122,175 square meters.
Wow, huge deal.
A massive deal, yeah. And the buildings that have been acquired by Indotek have got a high occupancy rates, and they're located in the new Belgrade district. Right.
So they're probably going to be one of the top land or building owners in the region, I would imagine, or I mean in Belgrade.
Yes, I mean it is a very big deal and a very ambitious deal. And according to Yovav Carmi, he's the president of the board of GTC. He says that the decision to sell this portfolio of office buildings is motivated by GTC's strategic plans to re-establish its Serbian market position, and they're going to be investing the money into other CE markets, and they want to continue developing, cutting edge projects in Serbia and the rest of Central Eastern Europe.
Excellent.
Yeah, so moving on and staying in the development investment market, and the Passerinvest Group is to launch a new mixed-use project in Prague. This is it's a second large-scale project in Prague by Passerinvest Group. It's called Nové Roztyly, and the project is expected to create jobs for nearly 3,000 people.
Wow, okay.
And housing for 1,500 residents. So again, a big mixed-use project. According to Passerinvest Group, the approximate investment in this development is 5 billion Czech crowns. And there will be a second phase to this development, which is going to be more office, and it's going to be called Sequoia. And they hope to obtain a permit by the end of the year for that one.
Oh, great. Okay. So a lot happening there on both fronts.
Yeah. Coming to Poland, and Heimstaden, the Swedish investor, is to buy a portfolio of newly built residential properties from Poland's Budimex.
Oh, okay.
The portfolio is 2,496 homes with an estimated value of 305 million euros.
No, another big project. A lot of residential, yeah.
Yeah, and the portfolio is located in 5 of the largest cities in Poland, so Warsaw, Kraków, Wrocław, Poznań, and Gdansk. Yeah, so very, very big deal, and
where people want to live.
Where people want to live, and according to Heimstad's investment team, this investment is going to strengthen their position as a leading provider of housing in the region. So,
so good
in
to see.
Poland.
We'll see if we can get a hold of some of them and maybe have a little bit more conversation about that. Good.
Yep. And and then moving on, and Work Cloud 24, which is from New Work Group.
All right.
Yeah, they've announced a series of online events dedicated to the future of work after COVID-19. And the first one is on May the 27th.
Okay.
You can find more details how to register for that via our website.
Isn't that tomorrow?
No, it's day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow, okay.
And the program's going to include research on the Polish co-working market, discussion on how COVID-19 has impacted the demand for offices and additional locations, as well as information about new instruments for hybrid work. So it's via Zoom. Should be an interesting.
Definitely something to be locked into.
Moving on, and we've got some people on the move for the last bit for today's news. And PNB Paribas strengthened their capital markets team. They've employed a new director of capital markets, associate director.
Okay.
This is Marta Goronska-Wipczok, and she'll be responsible for implementing their investment strategies. And then moving to Cushman & Wakefield, and they've announced new leadership roles in the office and industrial agencies. And they have Joanna Sinkiewicz. She's based in Poland. She has become the head of the industrial agency for Central and Eastern Europe. And Radka Novak, she's based in the Czech Republic.
Okay.
She has been appointed head of office agency for Central and Eastern Europe, based in Prague.
Okay. Yeah, we know Joanna, and I think she was in charge of Poland up until now. She's in charge of the region. So
yeah, there's been a lot of new leadership changes at Cushman & Wakefield lately. So these are the latest batch.
Excellent. Well, we hope to see you all at our cocktail party in June, and also at our breakfast, our Coffee with Craig live show on June 16th. So if you want any information about either of them, please drop me an email or click on the link in the advertisement, and we will send you the info. So anyway, enjoy the rest of the day. Sorry it's a little bit rainy for those of you here in Warsaw, but we'll somehow get through it to a sunnier day. So enjoy the rest of the day, and thank you for being part of Coffee with Craig.